Hello, my name is Mr. Skoglund. I teach AP Physics 1, AP Physics C Mechanics, and AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism. AP Physics 1 is an introductory physics class. It's algebra-based, so you don't need any physics background to be in it. We cover things like velocity, speed, acceleration, energy, forces, momentum, circular motion, gravitation, and all the way up to a little bit of electricity. AP Physics C Mechanics covers the same stuff as AP Physics 1, but it is calculus-based, so it is a little more advanced. AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism covers, obviously, electricity and magnetism and everything about them. All three classes have their own AP test, which they will take in May. For my class, I do a lot of lecture, a lot of demonstration, a lot of practice problems. This is a math-based class, so we're going to do a lot of math. So we also need a calculator and something to write with. So we're going to be writing a lot of our examples in a notebook so you can use them to practice from. My office hours are before school. We're there from 7:30 to 8:30. So if you need extra help, that would be the time to come in and see me. Thank you. I hope you have a good year.